In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce decimal places in Notion using two easy methods. Managing decimal places in Notion can help you present data more clearly and keep your workspace tidy. Whether you're dealing with large data sets or just want to streamline your information display, follow these steps to quickly adjust decimal places according to your needs. To start, head to your connected workspace on Notion. This is where all your projects, docs, and wikis are located, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area. Once you're there, click on the Login button to access your Notion account. Make sure that you're logged into the correct account where your specific databases or tables are located to avoid any confusion later on. After logging in, navigate to the Notion homepage. It's a hub where you can access all your linked pages and databases. From there, locate and click on the database you want to modify. This step is crucial because any changes you make will apply to this specific set of data. Once you have your database in front of you, look for the Property button and click it. This will allow you to edit various aspects of your data, including how it's displayed. Next, among the listed properties, you will encounter the option to edit property. Clicking this will take you a step deeper into controlling how your data is presented, particularly focusing on numeric data attributes. Now that you're in the property editing area, look specifically for the setting labeled Decimal Places. This setting can often be found in columns containing numeric values. Once you click Decimal Places, you'll see the options available for you to adjust the number of decimal points. Depending on how precise you want your calculations and displays to be, you can select the desired option that fits your requirements. This straightforward method is great for those who are relatively familiar with navigating Notion. It allows for quick adjustments without overcomplicating the process. However, remember that any change made here only affects this particular property within the database. So repeat the process if you have multiple fields or databases with similar needs. By following these steps, you should have successfully reduced the decimal places in your Notion database. Doing this not only helps keep your data neat and manageable, but also enhances the readability. So, take this opportunity to apply these settings and ensure that your workspace reflects the professionalism and precision you strive for. Remember, these changes are easy to implement and just as easy to revert should you need additional detail in the future. Keep exploring and customizing Notion to best serve your workflow.